Hello guys, so in this video you'll be learning how to set up the NGNP Trust Seal badge on your Instagram highlight. Alright, so you launch your Instagram app. Alright, so you're gonna visit your profile. Okay, so you will need to set up something like this. This is your highlight, your Instagram highlight. So you would want to set another one for the NGNP Trust Seal. Okay, so you start by adding a story, and this time around you're gonna add the Trust Seal badge followed by your NGNP front view ID card and also the rear view of the ID card. So you click on the plus button, alright, then you click on story. Alright, so you're gonna start with the Trust Seal badge. So this is it, so you add it to your story. Okay, so you're gonna add the next story, which is your NGNP ID card. So right, so this is it. So you're gonna add to your story. And lastly is the rear view of the NGNP ID card. So you're gonna add to your story. So for yours, you're gonna find it at the download button or wherever you got your document saved. Okay, ours is on the Bluetooth. Okay, so this is the rear view of the ID card. So you click on that, upload to your story. Alright, so let's confirm. So this is the NGNP Trust Seal. Okay, the next would be the front view of your NGNP ID card, and finally the rear view of your NGNP ID card. Alright, so this is how you set up the highlight, Instagram highlight. So you click on your story, then you click on highlight at the bottom right corner on your screen. So that says highlight. Then you scroll down to new. Okay, so this is it. So the name is Trust Seal. Okay, so that's perfect. So you add. Okay, so you click on done for now. Then you click on next. So this is the front view of your ID card. So you click on highlight. Then you add it to Trust Seal. Then you do the same for the rear view. You click on highlight and add to Trust Seal. Okay, perfect, and that's all. So let's look it up. So the Trust Seal is already appearing on your profile, so you click on it. Okay, so this is Trust Seal. Then this is your NGNP verified ID, and this is the rear view of the ID. So this is perfect. Now you could also edit the cover photo so that the Trust Seal badge comes out properly. So you begin by holding the Trust Seal highlight. Then you click on edit highlight. Then you move to edit cover. Okay, so you could also leave it this way, but to make it stand out and look very, very attractive, since it's accepted on Instagram, you could zoom out. So you zoom out here. So this is your Trust Seal badge. So you could zoom out and click on done, and click on done at the top right corner again. So you see highlight updated. So this is it, the Trust Seal badge. So looking beautiful, right? So we only edited the cover photo, but everything is still the same and looking perfect for your customers, both the new and the old ones. So this is great. Okay, now let's say if you would still like to set up the ID card on its own. So you could do that. All you need to do, since you've uploaded the IDs already, you just scroll and click on new. Okay, so you select just your ID, the front and the rear view. Then you click on next. So you could call it NGMP, or you could call it we are verified. Okay, so we are verified. Okay, so whichever is the goal. So NGMP. Then you click on done. So that's all very easy. Okay, so your new customers could know that you are verified and recognized in a trusted community on Nigeria General Marketplace. So this is looking great. So this is how to set up your Instagram highlights with the NGNP Trust Seal and also the NGNP verified ID card issued to you. Alright, bye for now.